process manufacturing plants for pharmaceuticals, biotechnology and food production count on sanitary temperature sensors that require regular calibration, a process that brings production to a halt. In these businesses, even a few tenths of a degree Celsius can mean losses in ruined product. Consistent accuracy is critical. The Fluke 6109A and 7109A portable calibration baths let process industry professionals calibrate 4 times more sanitary sensors per batch, and with double the accuracy of other baths in this class. Up to 4 tri-clamp sanitary sensors fit in these baths for calibration at 0.1 degrees Celsius display accuracy. The 2 bath models cover a wide temperature range, from -25 to 250 degrees Celsius. And each model offers a -P, or process electronics version, that includes connecting an external reference probe. Facility managers who need to meet FDA and ISO cleanroom standards will appreciate the bath's stainless steel casing, designed to stand up to harsh cleaning solutions. The high throughput of these baths also means faster temperature sensor calibration, so costly production downtime is decreased. Production engineers will value the excellent accuracy of the 6109A and 7109A portable baths, which helps reduce the risk of an expensive product batch loss. Moreover, these baths eliminate the need to make do with equipment designed for other applications. Technicians who perform calibrations on platforms or in crawl spaces will enjoy the portability of these baths. These baths are stainless steel, so they're sturdy, easy to clean and rust resistant. The Fluke 6109 and 7109 portable calibration baths provide 4 times more calibration throughput, with twice the accuracy of other baths in this class. They're designed for calibration efficiency and cleanroom use.